Hello YouTube, there's breaking news coming in. So Manchester United agree £75 million fee with Everton for Romelu Lukaku. So it's breaking news and it's literally just come in. So Manchester United have agreed a fee of around £75 million with Everton for striker Romelu Lukaku. The 24-year-old Belgium international scored 25 Premier League goals last season, and United, who have been chasing Lukaku for most of the summer, will now not be pursuing their interest in Real Madrid's Alvaro Morata. And the move for Lukaku is not connected to talks aimed with Rooney to Everton, and that's a different story. I need to make a video on that, but I might not really make a video now. So there was breaking news coming in 2 days ago or yesterday that Wayne Rooney will join Everton for around 10 to 15 million pounds, but that's a separate deal, and Wayne Rooney will be joining Everton. But this is a separate deal for Romelu Lukaku, and Romelu Lukaku will be joining Manchester United, and I'm really pleased about this. I mean, people say that he disappears in big games and everything, but Everton as a team, they don't play good against big teams, because all I think that Romelu Lukaku needs is a better players around him. Like at Manchester United, he will be able to score goals week in, week out. He's that type of striker. He's an amazing striker. And those people that don't rate Lukaku are absolutely they don't know the best of Lukaku. I've rated Lukaku for all these years. He's been an absolutely amazing striker for Everton, and I do believe he is ready for the step up to a big club like Manchester United. 75 million is okay for him, because Chelsea were getting quoted around 100 million for Romelu Lukaku, and that's why they couldn't get a deal done with him. And there were recent reports saying that Romelu Lukaku now prefers Manchester United over Chelsea, and within the next day, we've agreed a £75 million fee for Romelu Lukaku. He should be hopefully heading to Manchester United, our new number 9. And you know what, I'm really happy because Romelu Lukaku got Premier League experience, proven Premier League experience. He scores many goals already. So Lukaku to Manchester United, £75 million. Please like, subscribe. It's been NBA Religion, and I'll see you guys later.